Hello and a very warm welcome to ET Studios. I'm your host Himanshi Tiwari, joining you from the Rising Rajasthan Global Investment Summit 2024. With me right now is Rajesh Agarwal, who's the Principal GM at BSNL Jaipur. Sir, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. And thank you that you have called me, and we are discussing about Rising Rajasthan today in Jaipur.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So right now we are at the Rising Rajasthan Summit, sir.
Ji.
What do you foresee for Rajasthan in the upcoming few years in terms of digital connectivity and how it's going to transform the economic growth of Rajasthan?
Basically, digital connectivity is the backbone of the economic prosperity. If we are able to provide digital connectivity to remote corner and remote areas of Rajasthan, then there will be a financial inclusion. There will be a development in the education field. Every student sitting at the remote corner of the state, and every businessman sitting at the remote village will be able to do financial transaction online. They will be able to attend online classes. So there will be overall growth of the state due to this digital connectivity. And BSNL is the front torch bearer of providing remote connectivity to the remote areas of Rajasthan and whole country.
All right, but there's been an ongoing advancement in the whole telecom sector, right?
Yes.
And you're talking about the rural areas, how
Yes.
you've been able to provide that sort of connectivity. But if you can throw more light on how are you kind of connecting the rural areas with the urban areas in Rajasthan?
There are two special projects which are funded by Government of India. The BSNL is executing these projects. One is 4G saturation project. So with the blessings of our Honorable Prime Minister, we are providing 4G mobile connectivity to those areas where there is no mobile coverage. So those villages where there is no mobile coverage of any operator, BSNL is providing 4G coverage with the help of Government of India. So we are installing around 1370 towers in Rajasthan, which are covering more than 200 new villages where there is no mobile connectivity in Rajasthan.
All right, so any ongoing projects for BSNL that you want to tell us,
This
or
is one is
any
4G saturation. The second project, which is coming with the help of Government of India, is BharatNet project. With the help of this BharatNet project, we are going to lay optical fiber to connect all villages of the Rajasthan, all villages of the country, and in Rajasthan, we are connecting all villages of the Rajasthan. All villages will have fiber connectivity. Fiber connectivity means at least 10 GB connectivity will be there in the each and every village of the Rajasthan.
and any new projects coming up for BSNL?
BSNL is, in addition to telecom, BSNL is nowadays providing all kind of solutions. We are providing different for 5G networks to the mines, to the oil industries. We are providing a customized, dedicated captive network for 5G. We are providing all kind of satellite services for disaster management in the remote and rural areas. We are providing cloud services. All kind of IT solution we are providing along with the connectivity.
All right. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us today. But as we are wrapping up this round, I just want to ask you, like, what do you foresee for Rajasthan in the upcoming 5 years? What are those two or three things that you want to highlight after the prime ministers and the chief ministers' keynote sessions in the morning?
In Rajasthan, there will be umbrella mobile coverage across the landscape of the Rajasthan. So everywhere you go, you will find a connectivity so that you can do your online transaction. In every village of the Rajasthan, you will have a fiber. You will have a fiber connectivity so that all kind of business activity can be done in the villages.
Any plans of collaborating with the private sector for better penetration of broadband?
All our broadband connectivity are being done through private collaborators, private partners. All remote last mile connectivity is being provided by our partners only.
All right. Thank
We
you
are
so
providing
much.
backbone, and our partners are providing last mile connectivity to the customer end.
All right. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing
Thank you.
those insights with us. It's been a pleasure talking to you and to our viewers. Stay tuned for more such videos only at ET Studios.